With beauty shifting homeward, the demand for salon-quality tools, especially electric nail drills, is on the rise. Perfect for both beginners and pros, electric nail drills simplify everything from acrylic shaping to gel polish removal. This guide evaluates RPM power, portability, bit variety, ergonomic design, and overall value. Whether you're building a DIY nail station or upgrading your kit, here are the best electric nail drills available on Amazon right now. List 5 JOSGLOI Electric Nail Drill Professional 4000 RPM with LCD display. The JOSGLOI Electric Nail Drill is a powerhouse for professionals and serious at-home users. With a top speed of 4000 RPM, it delivers salon-grade performance for acrylic, gel, or dip powder nails. The sleek LCD screen displays speed and direction settings, making it easy to customize your nail work. The sturdy handpiece operates quietly with minimal vibration, ensuring comfort during extended use. It includes multiple bits for shaping, buffing, and removing polish, and features a twist lock system for bit changes. List 2. Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit, Cordless and Rechargeable Nail File.
This cordless electric nail file kit is perfect for pedicure and manicure routines at home.
It features multiple attachments for sanding, polishing, and exfoliating feet or hands. With a rechargeable battery and cordless design, it offers excellent flexibility and ease of use, especially when working on your own nails. Though not as powerful as professional salon models, it's more than enough for routine touch-ups and shaping.
List number
COSLUS Glitter Portable Cordless E-File Nail Drill Kit. The COSLUS Glitter Cordless Nail Drill brings both style and function in a compact, travel-ready design. With 11 included drill bits and multiple speed settings, it's excellent for tackling cuticles, shaping acrylics, and removing gel polish. Its glittery design makes it fun to use, while the cordless functionality offers freedom of movement. The rechargeable battery provides hours of usage.
List number
COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill Electric File, portable for acrylic and gel nails. The COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill is a high-performance, user-friendly device, ideal for home and professional use. It features a powerful motor and adjustable speeds for precise control, whether you're cleaning up cuticles or sculpting acrylics. Its portable and rechargeable design ensures convenience without sacrificing torque or speed. The ergonomic grip makes it easy to handle during long sessions.
List 5. COSLUS Electric Nail Drill File Professional, full kit for manicure and pedicure. This COSLUS professional nail drill kit is designed with versatility in mind. Whether you're removing acrylic, buffing gel polish, or shaping natural nails, this drill handles it all. It includes a wide range of bits and sanding bands, a lightweight handle, and adjustable speed control. The motor is powerful enough for acrylic and dip powder removal, yet gentle for cuticle work.